This 2021 Forest River Sandpiper 384 QBOK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Rockwall, Texas, 75087 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Rockwall. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8 and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, full wall slide, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Sandpiper 384 QBOK is 13,132 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.